percentage. And so to find out the percentage of girls, we first need the total of students. So you're going to say 18 plus 12, which is going to give you 30. And then 30 will be our denominator, also known as the bottom number. And since you're asking for girls, which are 18 girls, we're going to put 18 over 30 times it by 100 over 1. And I did it the long way because I'm not so good with canceling and all of that. So I said 18 times 100 gave me 1,800 over 30 because 30 times 1 is 30. And when I divided, I got 60, which gave me 60%.
Very good.
Sir, can I tell you how I did it in a different way, sir?
Yeah, go ahead, Jonathan.
All right, sir. So, sir, what I did, sir, I said, well, the first step, sir, well, let me go with the fraction part, sir. So, what I did, sir, I said 18, sir, over 30 times 100 over 1, sir. And, sir, I said 30 into 100, sir, goes 3.34 times, sir. Sir, I didn't use any like calculator, sir. I did already know, sir, because I did work it out. Would be 3.34, sir. And when you multiply it by 18, sir, you're going to get 60.12, sir, but I'll just stick with the 60, sir.
Oh, because you're round up already.
Percentage.
Because
Yes,
technically,
sir.
you know, this is 3.333, so yeah. But I think
Yes,
you could
sir.
chance it another way as well, you know. Let me try so. If you
I
are
want
done
to
this,
explain way also.
all right, go ahead. Somebody would calculate it that way and take the floor. What calculate it? Because I'm thinking if you divide by 10 first, that would be good. 3 can go into 18, so that's 6 times. So 6, 160. Yeah, all right. Good job. So we're clear on that, guys. That would be our answer. In terms of boys, what would be the percentage of boys?
40,
Sir,
40%. 40%.
oh yeah, yes, sir.
So it would be 40% because if you add 6.
Okay, very good. Because if you're not a boy, you're a girl. And if it's 60%, that means the other would have been 40. Because the 40 plus the 60 would give you 100. All right, very good, very good. All right, let me pause it and look at another one. Good job, guys. Good job. Go ahead, Jonathan.
Sir. So, sir, it says a sum of money was shared in the ratio 2 to 3. If the larger share was $60, how much money was shared? So, sir, I sir, it did not say that to find the smallest share, but
Yeah,
it means to find the total money that was shared between the ratio 2 to 3, sir. So,
very
sir,
good.
since they gave the largest share, sir, you're going to find the smallest share, sir. So, sir, what I did, sir, I said 2 to 3, sir. 2 to 3, and then under the 3 would be the $60, sir. Since it's the largest share, and they give the money for the largest share, sir. And sir, and for the 2, sir, you're gonna put X, which is the unknown, sir. So you're going to find the unknown, sir. So, sir, I said that 3 into 60, sir, goes 20 times, sir. Divide by should give you 20, sir. So, sir, after you get that, sir, you're going to multiply it to the smallest share, sir, which would be $40, sir. So you're gonna say 2 times 20 give you $40. So, sir, that's the smallest share. But sir, here the problem, sir. Some persons would end up as that as the answer, sir. You know why? Because they do not understand the question. So
Yeah.
sir, you would not end there, sir. So since you get the two shares, sir, you're going to add them up, sir. You're gonna add the smaller share plus the larger share, sir, which is $40 plus $60 would give you $100, sir. So, sir, my
Very good.
final answer is $100, sir.
Excellent. Very good. Well explained. As he said, guys, it doesn't ask for the smaller share. It asks for the total that was shared between the two persons in the ratio 2 to 3. So if the larger share is $60, what he found was one share. That means if three shares, look at it this way, as he did, three shares give you $60. What would one share give you? One share would be equal to, just as what he said, 60 divided by 3. So one share is $20. So for every one share, you're gonna get $20. And now
Sir,
for the
sir,
smaller one, two shares, so 2 times 20, which is 40.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, because you see, after you divide them, sir, that would be for one, sir. And since you're going to find two, you're going to have to multiply it, sir.
Yeah, you said it perfectly. Very good. All right. So you see that, guys? Very good. We have to be patient with it, sit and reason it out, and then we can attempt it. All right. Thanks so much, Jonathan.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah. So I'm gonna give persons time, and then what we do, we clear up after everyone finish, and then we do another one. This is another tricky one coming up. Go ahead, Rapino.
So it says it says that word drum.
John.
So it says a drum can hold 5 liters of water. If a bucket can hold 0.2 liters when full, how many full buckets it would take to fill the drum? So first, my brain was telling me I would do some sort of division, and what I did, I for the 5 liters, I times it 5 times 10, so I could get easy number to manipulate. And 0.2, I also times that by 10. So so now I said, so 0.2 equal to 2, because that would make it a whole number. So I said I had 50 over 2, which said I was supposed to divide. And when I divided 50 by 2, I got 25.
What's the final answer?
Sir, I realize where I went wrong, sir. Cause sir, the 5 times 10 and the 0.2 times 10, sir. I did get it right, sir. But when I
Okay.
divided, sir, I did get 0.25, sir. But I realized since I did move the decimal point, I shouldn't into a whole. I shouldn't
Yeah.
change it back.
Yeah.
Sir, see why, sir.
So you convert this to a whole number.
Yes,
What?
sir.
You have to move the 5.0 one time as well. So any amount of time you move this one, you have to move this one as
Yes, sir,
well.
and I realized I shouldn't bring it back to it
Yeah.
to the 0 point to one to move to divide it one decimal place, sir.
Yeah.
Since I change it to a whole number.
Correct. So it will be 50 divided by 2, which will give us 25. Very good. It's correct.
Sir, it says in a car parking lot, there are 5 rows of cars and 6 columns. How many cars would be in the parking lot if 50% full? So first I drew a diagram to see how it would look, sir. And I counted 50 spaces. And an easier way to do that is to multiply 5 by 6. 5 times 6. Which
That's
will
five.
equal to 30. So in all, sir, it would be 30 cars in the parking lot. You said 50% full. So sir, I divided it by 2 and I got 15. So in all, so 50% would be 15 cars.
Do we agree, class? So we think it's 15.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's correct, right? As she said, she drew the diagram, so you put how many rows and how many in each column.
Sir, are rows vertical and columns horizontal?
And then she got 30. And she said an easier way would be to do 5 times 6, right?
Sir, are rows vertical and columns are horizontal?
Okay, yeah.
The color
So rows
are
are like
vertical.
this, right? While the columns run like this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just think of the column in a building. You guys know what a column in a building look like? It's upright. So yeah, that's another way to look at it. Very good. All right. So anybody who need to make any adjustment, I'm gonna give you some time and then we can proceed to another one. All right. Good job. Thanks so much, Tori J.
You're welcome, sir.
Mhm. So 15 cars would be the answer for that one.
Okay, sir. So it says a square and a rectangle both. What is that, sir? With
Yeah.
the same perimeter. If the length of the rectangle is 20 centimeters and the width is 12 centimeters, what is the area of the square? So, sir, the key word is it says both of them are the same perimeter, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, and then it says the rectangle is 20 centimeters and its width is 12 centimeters. Sir, what I did, sir? Since both of them are the same perimeter, I found the perimeter of the rectangle. So, sir, I said I used a formula: length plus length plus width, sir. So, sir, 20 plus 20, sir, is 40. 20 centimeters plus 20 centimeters is 40 centimeters, sir. And then, sir, 12 centimeters plus 12 centimeters, sir, is 24 centimeters, sir. So then, sir, I added 40 centimeters and 24 centimeters, sir. So, sir, 40 plus 24 centimeters, sir. 4 plus 0 is 4, sir. And then, sir, 4 plus 2 is 64, sir. So, sir, the answer is 64 centimeters, sir. And, sir, think funny. And as you know, a square, all the sides are equal, sir. And a square has 4 sides, sir. So, sir, in order to find one side of the square, sir, you're gonna have to divide the 64 by 4, sir. And then, sir, 4 into 6, sir, goes 1 time with a remainder of 2, sir. So, sir, you're gonna get 24. And, sir, 4 into 24 goes 6 times. So, sir, for the square, sir, one side measures 16 centimeters. So then, and then, sir, after I did that, I checked my answer, sir, to make sure it was correct, sir. So, sir, I found the perimeter of the square to make sure that it added back to 64 centimeters, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16, sir, it's going to give you about the 64 centimeters, sir. So it's correct, sir.
Mm.
So, sir, and then so since you figured out that, sir, so now the question that we're supposed to answer, sir, what is the area of the square? So, sir, area, the formula for area is length times width. That's the formula that I use, sir. So, sir, the length is 16, and the width, sir, is 16, sir. So, sir, I multiply 16 times 16, sir. So, sir, 6 times 6, sir, is 36. Then carry over the 3. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus the 3 is 9. So that's 96, sir. And then, sir, you're gonna cross out the 6 below the other 6, sir. Then you're gonna put on 0, sir. And then you're gonna say 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1, sir. And then you're gonna put a placeholder, so I know you're gonna add them. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. And you're gonna carry over the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, sir. So, sir, the area for the square, sir, would be 256 centimeters square, sir. Sir, if I don't put the square, sir, you're gonna get it wrong, sir. So you have to always put the square when you're dealing with the area, sir. But
Yeah.
sir, for perimeter, sir, you don't have to put the square. Or only the something the unit of measurement. So, sir, my final answer, sir, for what is the area of the square, sir, is 256 centimeters square, sir.
Excellent, excellent. And happy birthday again. Happy birthday. Awesome job. Guys, there's nothing
Thank you,
to add
sir.
to that. Yeah, there's nothing to add to that, guys. He took us from start to finish, from finding the perimeter here of the rectangle. After he found that to be 64, he said, since a square has all 4 sides equal, we divide by 4. So
Sir,
one side work out to 16, and then we know it's length times width for the area of the square, right? And that gives us 256 centimeters square.
excuse me, sir.
Perfect. Yeah.
Sir,
That-
you see the ones, sir, I just realized, sir. So the ones that you use to add the perimeter, sir, you're going to use to find the area, sir. That's what I just realized.
Yeah, the length. Yeah. So once you know the length, then you can actually find the area. Because once you know the side, as Jeremiah said, all the sides are equal. Guys, guys, tell you what, grade 6. You know, realize this, guys? So this is the last Saturday before exam.
Yes,
Oh my
sir.
God. Oh my God. Yeah, well, you guys are ready, man. You are ready. Just have to go and do your thing. Just like what you did in the others, all right? All right, so we are clear this, guys. I'm going to see what time we have. We have 30 something minutes. Let's see if we can do some more. Excellent job. Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm going to pause the video and while I'm write the question. All right, go ahead. Ready, Jonathan?
All right, sir. It says in a bag there are 5 red marbles, 5 red marbles, 4 blue marbles, 6 black marbles. What is the probability of picking at a random black marble? So, sir, what I did first, sir, I count up how many marbles are there in total, sir. And I said 15, sir. And so what I did, sir,
Yeah, the 4 plus the 5. That's why you had to get
yes,
the
sir.
15.
4
All
plus
right.
the 5 plus the 6 give you 15 marbles in total, sir. And I said, since the question said, what is the probability of picking at a random the black marble, sir? I went over to find how many, sir. How many black marbles are this? And I said 6. And sir, I said 6 over 15, sir. And sir, I had to find the lowest term, sir. The lowest term, sir. So, sir, the number that you're going to use to divide, sir, is 3. Since 3 can go into both of them, sir. And your answer will be 2/5. And, sir, if you want it as a percentage, sir, your
Mhm.
answer would be 40%, sir.
How you get 40?
Alright, sir, let me explain why.
Mhm.
Okay, sorry, since you finished the probability, sir. As the percentage now, so you're going to say 2/5 times 100/1. Since percentage is out of 100, you're gonna times 100, sir. And sir, I said 5 into 100, sir, goes 20 times. So cancel the 5 with 20, sir. And sir, since the multiplication sign is Sir, since the multiplication sign is there, sir, you multiply across. And your answer, sir, will be 40%, sir.
Yeah, very good. Danilo gave me 40%, but I was saying, Danilo, give me as a fraction. But he gave me in percentage. But very good, very good. Guys, I'm so
Sir,
proud of
it
you
work it
guys.
out in my head, sir. And I said
Yeah,
40%.
yeah. I'm so proud of you guys, trust me. I've watched you guys grown and grown and grown and grown and there's no limit, guys. There's no limit. Because if we can do one more, we have 15 minutes. We couldn't make that one here too complicated. We could just, yeah, so everybody can finish and we get it marked.
Person, when we say the recipe that's on the side, you can just that you know that two sides are equal. And we already know one of the sides is 35 degrees. So we know that y is going to simply add up to 35. It's going to simply be 35 degrees. It's like the exact same replica. So you're just going to have this both having the same. Then now we want to find what x is. Since we already know what y is, all we have to do is just multiply 35 by 2 or add 35 plus 35, same thing. And 35 plus 35, when you add it up, you get 70. And then 180 minus 70 is 110 because overall, all the degrees are supposed to add it to 180. So we just subtract the total which you have for two of them now to find the other angle, which is 110.
Kira, you're saying that y is 35 and x is 110?
Yes, sir.
All right, class, do you guys agree
Yes,
with?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, may I explain for the why?
Sir, yes.
Even though she explained it, sir.
All right,
Because,
go ahead. We
sir,
have 1 minute to
sir,
spare.
the reason why I said this is an isosceles triangle, sir, because sir, the two base, sir, would be equal, sir.
Yeah, base angle is equal.
Yes,
Very
sir,
good.
they're equal. And sir, if one of them is in the number, sir, the other would be the same number, sir.
Very
Since
good.
they're
Very
equal.
good. Awesome. All right, very good. And guys, you'll be doing this in CXC.
Yes, sir, because
Yeah,
I think I've seen one before.
yeah. And how can we check to see if our answer is correct? I know Kira did.
Sir, we add up all of the figures, sir,
Very good.
to get 180, sir.
Very good.
Since that's the total for the triangle, you have to add them up.
Yeah. So let's do that before we go. So 5 and 5,
5,
10,
10, 1,
and that 8,
4,
right?
so yes, sir. 8, and then since nothing is there, you just carry down the one, so that's
Yeah.
total. So
All right.
all the figures,
Guys,
sir, are
awesome
all
job.
the
Awesome
two.
job. Remember, guys, the marathon
Five.
is going on tomorrow. However, we have regular classes. So we're still gonna have class from 9 to 10. We're still gonna have the class 4 to 5. We're still gonna have the class 5 to 6. So if you sign up for the marathon, it doesn't mean that you must wait till 6:30 to come to class. All right? You come to your regular class, you go back, go rest, and then we come to the marathon. It's gonna be awesome, all right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Jeremiah.
But Martha next week.
Bye, sir.
I think only Tuesday we have leave, so unless you guys want me to arrange it Tuesday. But remember, you have other subjects, guys. And I think you guys are ready for the maths. What you guys think? You guys been reading up on your science and your social studies and
Yes, sir.
all right. So we are fine then. If you guys want, we could do on Tuesday. So let me know.
I will do.
All right. So take care, guys. And I'm gonna post this one today. Right
Oh,
now.
Yes, sir.
Today is
Bye.
April 26th.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna post it right now because the others not gonna get to come to class. So I just wanna share so they can know.
Bye, sir.
We might use Tuesday as our revision day. We just go through whatever. But I don't remember the dates of the exam, but I think maths is the last one, right? But we'll see. I'll look at the timetable, guys. And if anything, we arrange it for Tuesday or early Monday. Whichever way. All right, guys, I'm out. Take care.
Adios, sir.
Adios, Deanja.
adios, amigo.
All right. Happy birthday, Jeremiah. Big up Sakino.
All right, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Jalen.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Kyle. Bye, Kira. Bye, Thursday. Bye, Thursday. Bye, Christine. Bye, Racine.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Danilo. Bye. Yeah. You guys are awesome. Always remember that, guys. You are awesome.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Kyle. Take care.
Have a good night.
Thanks.
I
You
love
as
it,
well.
Sue.
Actually, I'm CXC marathon, so I'm gonna take a little rest now and then I have class in half an hour again, guys. You see, Sana, you alone a bit rough, guys. So I have class all day. So we have to do, right? Vacation coming up. Bye, Gabriel. Like she gone already.